We've all experienced how stress can affect our state of mind. And according to Ayurveda, you may be experiencing a mind we call a rajasic mind, where you feel the need to be stimulated. You crave a cup of coffee, a sweet, some chips. You need to go shopping. You find yourself looking for ways to get distracted. And this is a rajasic state of mind, not a balanced state of mind.
The opposite of that is feeling really sluggish, having a lack of motivation, feeling blah and dull in the mind, just wanting to veg out on the couch and do nothing. This is known as a tamasic mind. It's heavy and inert and dull.
Now the goal is what we call a sattvic mind, a mind that is willing to be love versus need love. And our goal in our Ayurvedic Psychology, Ayurveda 201 course is to teach you how to develop a sattvic mind. Studies show that when you actually give love with no expectation, when you care for others with no expectation, it literally changes the person that you're giving to. When you give with an expectation, it has a negative influence on them physiologically. So when you give from your heart fully because you love them, I love you, but it's no concern of yours, with no expectation to get anything in return, it literally changes their physiology. They can feel the difference. And it allows us to then connect with each other heart to heart. And that is the nature of a sattvic mind. So join us in Ayurveda 201, and you can find more information about that at yogajournal.com.